Okay, so the assignment we're working on right now is called Vocabulary Models. And after you finish watching this video, you are going to complete them. But make sure that you watch the video all the way so you know exactly what to do and there's no concerns or questions. But if you watch the entire video and then there's still some concerns, you can always ask me. So the first thing you're going to do when we get there is you're going to look at the vocabulary model and there's going to be a word in the middle. You're going to click on that word in the middle and access the definition of it. So when you click on it, there's a link that's going to take you directly to the definition of that word. You're going to type the definition in a box that's titled definition. In the example box, you're going to find examples of the word and type them in the correct box. You're not using pictures at this time. But there is a picture box that you're going to use next where you're going to copy and paste a picture of the word in the correct box using the Google image search under insert, and I'll show you how to do that. Or you can copy from Google itself. And then you're going to find synonyms using that same link in the middle. So let's take a look at what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. And our first word is activist. So you can see it here in the middle. And it's we're looking for the noun of activist. So we'll click on the activist. It's going to open a tab. And it takes us directly to that word. So the first thing we need is the definition. Oh, here it is. So you will copy and paste that definition here. You can also type it yourself. It is totally up to you if you don't want the fonts to look wonky like that, but I'm totally fine with you copying and pasting it. After you do that, you're going to go back, and now we need, I suggest that you do the synonyms next because it's on there as well. So if you go back, at the top, it says see synonyms for activists on thesaurus.com. So you'll click it. And then right here are some synonyms. So you can just type two of those, and you're going to type those in this fourth box. So 1 and then 2. You also need an example, and I believe, on the definition page right here at the top, it says examples. You can click that, and you can copy and paste one of these. Or you can Google examples of activists. And then after that, you're going to need a picture. So this is what I was saying. You're going to go to Insert, Image, and then you'll go to Search the Web. And then on the right-hand side, it's going to open up Google Image Search, and you can type in activist. Sorry, mine's in all caps. And you can post a picture. And you can do that by clicking on one, and then it's going to come out super big if it ever loads. There we go. And you're going to have to make it smaller, and you can put it right there. And that's all you're going to do. You're going to do that for activists, you're going to do that for economic, and you're going to do that for climate change. So there's only 3 that you have to do. If you are going through this and you're still confused on what you need to do even after the video, please let me know. I do not mind helping you out, but that's the gist of it. Make sure that you try your best on it. And if there really is something that you don't understand and you're working on it at home, you can always email me. I usually have my email available, but if it's the weekend, give me time. Other than that, that's how we complete this activity.